If you use Excel every day, you'll know that errors can easily slip through. I'm going to show you how to use Copilot in Excel to find and fix errors within a spreadsheet, saving you time and reducing costly mistakes. Let's get going. For times when you really want an extra level of checking within your worksheet, why not use Copilot? I'm going to go up to the Home tab and you will see the Copilot button over here. Now, if you can't see it, you don't currently have a license that allows you to use Copilot. If you can see it, give it a click. Now, I've arrived in Allow Editing. If you have a look at the bottom of my Copilot pane, you'll see that I'm in Microsoft Premium. Now, you may have arrived in Chat Only, and that's just a reflection of the license that you have. What we're about to do is ask Copilot to have a look at this worksheet and identify any errors. So let's have a look first at what you get with the chat option, and then I'll show you what you get with the Allow Editing option. Let's click into the message box and give Copilot our prompt. Please check my worksheet for errors and let me know what needs fixing. And we'll just send that off to Copilot. And here we go. So Copilot's made its way through your entire worksheet and checked for any errors that need to be fixed. Now at this point, because we've chosen the chat option, Copilot's giving us the information in the pane here. So we're just going to scroll down and you will see here's a summary of what needs to be fixed. And then if we keep coming down, step by step, you will see that it's telling me things that are incorrect and things that need to be fixed. Now you'll see I've said there's 6 mistakes in here. So let's just come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lovely. Now at this point, I could go back right up to number 1 and read each point in the feedback and manually make my changes to the worksheet. And that might be okay for a couple of errors, but what if there's quite a few? Let's have a look at the Allow Editing option. So I'm just going to come back over to here and Allow Editing. Now this option within Copilot is pretty amazing. When we ask Copilot for help here, Copilot actually fixes the errors for us. Watch this. First of all, I'll drop in the prompt. Here it is, and I'll just click send. And Copilot starts to analyze my worksheet looking for errors. Let's have a look at what it's found. Errors found in your worksheet, and then it's giving me the cells where the errors were found. And if I come across the issue, in fact, I'll just pull this across so you can see it properly. There we go. We've got the cell, the issue, the current formula, and what it should be. And if we come down underneath here, formula error in data, so it's telling us that there's information that has been set incorrectly and what it should be. Hard-coded values where somebody's actually overtyped a formula when it should be a formula. And if we come down here, this is my absolute favorite part of using Allow Editing. Look at this. Would you like me to fix all these errors for you? I'm going to say yes, please. And send. And I'll just pull this back again so you can see what's happening. And look at that. You can actually see where Copilot's making the changes for you. Amazing. And if we just come and scroll down here a little bit, errors fixed. Amazing. If we come down, it's fixed all of them. And then there's an updated summary down here. So it's telling you your worksheet now has proper formulas throughout and will update automatically if any changes are made. So look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll just scroll down a little bit. There's number 6 here for all of our errors that have now been fixed. This is such a good thing to do, to check before you share your information to make sure that everything is as it should be. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. So great, right? So now all I have to do is close down Copilot and I have my beautiful error-free worksheet. For videos on related topics, please visit my channel. For links to my courses or my weekly tips, check the description box below.